Getting a grip on the InvesTiger report? You can access the report section from the hamburger menu or the bottom menu. From order placement to bill generation, all transaction details are available inside this section. Order placed. All orders placed on the current day will be listed here. Investment summary provides an overview of your portfolio, including market value, cash balance, additions, withdrawals, and portfolio returns in percentage. Investment ledger displays fund-related activities such as payments received or due, limit statement. Display your current cash balance and net available limit.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.